Welcome to Chandra's Food Delights. Today I am coming up with three varieties of dishes with rice powder. One is the kara kolkata with chutney, which I have used vegetables, and the other one is the stuffed kolkata with Kerala Nendrapalam halwa stuffed. The third one is our very own Kerala Eleada which is stuffed with jaggery and grated coconut, and we spread it on the banana leaves. So those of you who have joined my channel for the first time, if you like my videos, please share it and subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications. To make kara kolkata, I have kept the pan, getting it heated. I am using 2 cups of water, same 2 cups of rice powder. We will take it. Let this boil. It has come to a nice boil. Boil it nicely. Then we will put rice powder. This kolkata I am making with rice powder. We will put rice powder and mix it and make kolkatas. The water has started to boil. I am switching it off, adding the rice powder. Here I am using Bhagyalakshmi rice powder, which is very good quality rice powder. Put the rice powder. Putting a little bit of salt also. It is mixed up well. Now we can start making the round balls for the kolkata. If you think it is too dry, you can pour little more water. I have already kept aside little water. I am pouring little more of it. Little more. I am making this size kolkatas, small. I have made few. The rest of the dough I am keeping it. We will make sweet elada, also stuffed kolkata along with this. I thought all the three together I will do. Our idli cooker is ready. The water is already boiling. I am placing it into this. Let us close it and let it get cooked in low fire for at least 10-15 minutes. Almost 15 minutes over. I am going to open our cooker just to check if kolkatas are ready. Yes, it is not sticking, which means it is done. So I will switch it off and then we will do the seasoning of this kolkata. It is already heated. I am going to put mustard seeds. Fluttering. Adding a little bit of chana dal. Little bit of urad dal. Few jeera seeds, few red chilies broken, few curry leaves, little bit of ginger chopped finely. Little bit of onion, adding little bit chopped beans, few grated carrots. Carrot you can use sparingly. It will give a nice color to the kolkata. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, sprinkling little bit of salt. I have already added salt into the kolkatas, but this is only for the seasoning. Now I am going to add the kolkatas into this. Our kara kolkata is ready. If you have little bit of coriander leaves, chop it up and sprinkle on top. That gives a very nice look. I'm sorry I don't have coriander leaves, so today I am managing without coriander leaves. It's already done. I am transferring it into the bowl, the last bowl. Our kara kolkata and chutney is ready. I have made coconut chutney, which is a good combination for kara kolkata. Next we will do sweet stuffed kolkata with banana halwa and eleda. For our eleda, I have taken 3 tablespoons of jaggery powdered, equal amount of coconut. Going to mix it. Sprinkling little bit of elaichi powder on top. Mix it well. Our banana leaves are cut into smaller pieces. I have washed it and now it is ready. I am going to apply little bit of ghee on that. Sparingly let us put ghee so that it doesn't, once the ada comes, it doesn't stick to the banana leaf. Taking 1 round of dough, we will spread evenly. Whenever you feel the hand sticking to that dough, just apply a little bit of ghee. You can even use oil, but ghee gives a good aroma, so apply ghee. The dough is already spread. I am going to apply this into the dough. We are doing the second one. Again apply ghee sparingly on the banana leaf so that it doesn't stick. Taking a small ball of dough. Why we do it on the banana leaf is, with the banana leaf it has got its own benefits. It gives a nice aroma once it is steamed, the banana leaf. Put this on one side. Fold it up nicely. We will steam this now. Going to steam this eledas in the idli cooker. Slowly insert it into the idli cooker. Close it. Let it get cooked on low fire for at least 15 minutes. Our eledas is steamed and it is ready. See, this is how it will come. I am getting a very nice smell of the banana leaf along with the eleda. So we'll move it into another plate. We are going to make the stuffed kolkata with banana halwa. I have made banana halwa, Kerala banana with jaggery and ghee. Made it as a halwa and kept. Right now I can't show that. When I get Kerala bananas, I will show that video how to make banana halwa. Spread it in your palm. Take a small round of the banana halwa. Grease your palms. Close from the sides. Close it from the sides. It is closed. Make a ball. Now we are going to steam this also. Again I will show you. I have greased my palm. Take the ball of rice dough. Spread it on your palm. Spread it on your palm nicely. Take the halwa, just a little less. Keep it round in the center. Fold it in the center of the dough. Close it from the sides. You should close it properly from the side. So see, it is closed properly from all sides. Make a nice ball. We will steam this, and I have only made two just to show you all. So this is the banana halwa, stuffed kolkata. Our kolkata is also steamed and ready. Our sweet kolkata is ready with stuffed banana halwa. I'm just going to cut and show you how it is. See, this is how it is. Today I have made 3 varieties of dishes. One is the Kara Kolkata, the smaller version of the Kolkatas, and the chutney for that. And this is a new version, new thing I have tried, which is stuffed Kolkata with banana halwa. And this is our usual, very famous Kerala eleda. So all of you please try and put in your views and comments. And those who have joined my videos for the first time, if you like my videos, share it, subscribe it, and click on the bell icon